ClickFunnels, marketing funnels made easy. But before we start, please support us by pressing like and subscribe buttons. Also turn on the bell notification to get the latest updates. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you. Struggling to get a constant flow of customers? Meet ClickFunnels. Getting people to your website and turning them into happy paying customers is what we do best. Zero computer skills needed. Works for every type of business. Market, sell, and deliver like a pro. So, why a funnel? Let's face it, a website without paying customers is like building a store in the middle of the desert without a single road leading to it. That's where a funnel comes in. A funnel is like a digital road that moves your dream customers to your website and into your online store with their credit cards in hand. The funnel is the secret to your online success. Normally it would cost at least a couple $1000s to create a good website and to cover the hosting bill. But now, when you sign up for ClickFunnels, you'll get our amazing website builder for free. Without a funnel. No customers. No sales. Confusing buying process. Sadness. With a funnel. Stream of customers. Simple buying process. Sales galore. Opposite of sadness. Do you like feeling the opposite of sadness? Then sign up for ClickFunnels free trial today. Start your free trial today. ClickFunnels, funnels customers to you. We're the original funnel builder and the first ever platform designed to get people from sites like Facebook, Google, YouTube, and Instagram or TikTok, and bring them to your store. If you've ever been on one of those sites, and you clicked on an ad, chances are, if they know what they're doing, the page you landed on right afterward, was probably one of our funnels. And guess what? You're inside of a funnel right now. Yep, they really do work. But that's not all ClickFunnels does. ClickFunnels gives you everything you need to market, sell, and deliver your products online. All in one convenient spot. ClickFunnels is your website. Building a website or publishing a blog used to be a grind. What would normally take forever to design and develop can now be done in a single afternoon. With Funnel Hubs, you can experience insanely fast page loading speeds, which means a whole lot more conversions and sales. Fully customizable, drag and drop page builder that anyone can use regardless of computer skills. Dozens of beautiful page templates ready for you to plug in your content and flip the switch. Your online store. If you sell ebooks, training courses, or a line of organically made soaps, you'll want a smooth and speedy checkout process. With cart funnels, you can upload products, images, videos, and descriptions with a simple click of a button. Build a high-converting checkout page in minutes without coding or programming. Maximize your order value with our customizable one-click upsells, downsells, and order bumps. Your membership site. Listen, recurring revenue is the secret to a thriving online business. The best way to make that happen is with a membership site. With membership sites, you can grow a thriving subscription-based business for a stream of monthly revenue without worrying about getting new clients. Upload training videos and content in minutes without spending money on outside video software. Build and strengthen your tribe by unlocking and releasing new content all within the membership area. Your CRM. Getting customers to your store is great. But keeping your customers is critical if you want real business growth. With ClickFunnels CRM, you can strengthen brand relationship and track your customers' growth in real time. Trigger automated funnels based on customers' behavior. Get a detailed insight on what your customers actually want, which helps you create more products. Your email marketing. Email marketing to follow up with your customers is massive, and it comes to scaling your online business to the moon. With ClickFunnels email marketing, you can easily create and send email broadcasts, promotions, or new offers to your audience. Build out and split test email automations based on customers' behavior. Experience premium email deliverability support so your emails land in your customer's inbox. Your analytics. Data is king. Without it, you could be creating the wrong offers for the wrong traffic, and wasting a whole bunch of time and moolah. With ClickFunnels Analytics, you can get clear data on what's working and what's not working in your funnels, with instant reporting. Track open rates, click-through rates, page conversion rate, average cart value, and more. See how your students are progressing through your digital courses. ClickFunnels gives you everything you need to succeed online. Plus funnels to get customers to find you. Track the performance of your online business with ClickFunnels. See all of the most important data, so you know whether your pages or funnels are working, and where you have the opportunity to make them even better. Why do I need analytics? Data is king. Without it, you could be creating the wrong offers for the wrong traffic, and wasting a whole bunch of time and moolah. The good thing is, with ClickFunnels Analytics, you'll know what's working and what's not working with instant reporting. Let me show you how it works. Track immediate and long-term results. Want to see how a launch or a campaign is performing? Our advanced analytics gives real-time data, so you can make the most educated decision on what adjustments need to be made. You can also review and compare the performance of your ads and funnels over time with ClickFunnels Analytics. Track your customers' course progress. Help your customers or clients get better results from your course by using our analytics tool to track their progress, monitor their proficiency, and see which models have been viewed, where they've stopped, so you can encourage them to continue on the learning path to completion. Why do I need a customer center? You want happy customers, and a great way to make your customers happy is by giving them their very own customer center. A customer center is kinda like your customer's home, where they can access your courses, products, or new updates all in one convenient spot. Let me show you how it works. Easily deliver content to one organized customer hub. Your customers no longer have to create a separate members area login for each product they purchase. You can deliver or unlock any and all of your digital content, your training, courses, bonuses, etc., and have your customers access it in one easy organized customer hub. Custom branding designed to your own personality. Make your customer center look exactly the way you want with your own custom branding. You can change the colors, themes, layouts, and even the design to make it your own. Customers automatically receive all the right content. Imagine a smart dashboard that knows exactly what each customer did and did not buy. With the customer center, everything your customers has purchased is automatically added into their dashboard, so you do not have to worry about them 1, not getting access, or 2, granting access to something they didn't buy. Why do I need a website? You need a website to establish your online presence and to get your audience to know, like, and trust you. Plus a website is a great tool that you can use to funnel people to all your products and offers. Normally it would cost at least a couple $1000s to create a good website and to cover the hosting bill.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like. Leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.